Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see iPhone 15 Pro Max photos are darker after being clicked problem. Many users are reporting that after clicking the photos, their photos becomes darker. To solve this problem, there are a few steps you need to follow. The first one is go to your settings and search for camera. Here, go to the formats and make sure that your camera capture is on high efficiency. If it is not, then please do make it. Once you do that, you need to make sure that live photo option on your camera is turned off. To do that, go back and turn your camera on. Open your camera and on the top right corner, turn it off. This might help you to solve your problem. If this doesn't help, then go back to settings and hit on general. Then check for software update. If there are any update available, then please do update your system. Then click on transfer or reset iPhone, then reset your all settings. This will surely help you to solve your problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.